the Traeger Grill. If you haven't heard of it yet, I am about to burst your bubble. It's a mini barbecue grill that cooks your meats and veggies superbly. My boyfriend has tried cooking various foods. So far, he's experimented with beef, chicken, lamb, bell peppers, and onions. All of them turned out so tender, juicy, and fresh. I just had to spread the love about it. With a compact design, you can take it to your camping adventures and beach bonfires and just lay it on the back of your truck or on the floor. You do need to plug it in, so if you have a portable battery with an outlet or a nearby wall, that would be ideal. Since we live in a small studio, we were still able to use the Traeger grill on the tiny balcony and still have space. This is the perfect alternative to have compared to using the gigantic ones that are almost the same size as me. We got the black Ranger grill, which is the model TBT 18KLD wood pellet grill and smoker. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. When we got ours, it included one Traeger Ranger grill with a cast iron griddle. The dimensions are 20 inches diameter, 21 inches width, and 13 inches height. The cooking area is 184 square inches and it weighs 60 pounds. You need to get pellets instead of the old-fashioned charcoal, so the pellet hopper capacity carries 8 pounds. The max temperature reaches 450 degrees and the voltage is 120. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe, smash the like button, and click the notification bell. I'd really love your support and it'll motivate me to keep going. So thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.